Khalid George, captain of Ernst & Young LLP. So Hemant's a very good friend of mine, and initially when he started it, he's been always playing his tournaments. He initially started as normal tournaments and later on diversified into corporate tournaments. And I think it's a very good initiative he's taken, and the number of teams as well as the competition and the kind of teams which are playing is just superb. So we've had a really good experience so far. Made it to the semis of the Platinum Cup. So win this cup is superb. Definitely, definitely. I mean, this is something we look forward to every time when we're in office. And to be honest, this is the only tournament we actually play. There are a number of other tournaments which we keep getting calls from, but we just don't like playing because we've played them and we haven't had a good experience. But Legends Cup has been a really good experience for us for all the tournaments. Even if we won or lost, the atmosphere has been very good.
Very well organized.
A very well organized tournament. The food, the drinks, the audience, and the field. So overall, I think it's one of the best tournaments which has been happening in Delhi so far. See, football is our passion. So weekends, most of us aren't working. Some of us are, but we have to take out time for football. It's very important because we have to stay fit as well, and we're representing EY, which is a very good company. So they would also want us to win and उनका नाम रोशन करें हम भी. Overall, I would say I'd give it probably an 8 or a 9. Probably 8 in the starting time, but now it's come up to 9. Just probably I'm not going to give a 10 as of now because once or twice, the organizing skills can be a little better. So there are times when teams are waiting for a lot of time. So if that he can work out, the organizer, then I think 10 would be something we'd be giving next time. Yeah, and if he gets some cheerleaders, get some crowd or something.
More than that, if he starts actually promoting it so that other people can come and join us, then I think it'll be a bigger tournament.
Plaza. Exuberant.